Hello, muraho. Welcome to our English class. Tubaha ikaze mu ishuri ryacu ry'icyongereza, which is going to take place here on our channel, English Talk. Rigiye kubera ahangaha kuri channel English Talk. We will be giving you different English lessons, so that turi kubaha amasomo anyuranye y'icyongereza. Every person who wants to improve his or her English, umuntu ukeneye guteza imbere kuzamura icyongereza cye, please do not hesitate to be with us. Ntushidikanye kubana natwe. Today we are going to have the first lesson of our program. Uno munsi tugiye kwiga isomo rya mbere muri gahunda yacu ndende dufite. The first lesson of today is greetings and introduction. Isomo rya mbere ry'uyu munsi ni indamukanyo ndetse no kwivuga. We are going to see the first 12 words a beginner of English must first know. Tugiye kureba amagambo 12 umutangizi mu cyongereza agomba kubanza kumenya. Welcome. Muhawe ikaze. The first one is irya mbere ni good morning. Mwaramutse. We use the word good morning. Dukoresha ijambo good morning when we greet someone before noon, iyo dusuhuza umuntu mbere ya saa sita. Good afternoon. Mwiriwe cyangwa se igicamunsi cyiza. We use this expression to greet someone in afternoon. Dukoresha ijambo iyo dusuhuza umuntu nyuma ya saa sita ariko nabwo umugoroba utaragera. Good evening. Umugoroba mwiza. It is clear, birumvikana. This means to wish someone a good evening. Bivuze nyine kwifuriza umuntu umugoroba mwiza. Good night. Ijoro ryiza. We use this expression when we wish someone a good night before sleeping. Dukoresha iyi mvugo twifuriza umuntu ijoro ryiza mbere yuko aryama. How are you? Umeze ute? I am fine. Meze neza. I'm good. Meze neza. How do you feel? Umeze ute cyangwa se umerewe ute? Nice to meet you. Ndishimye, ni byiza guhura nawe. What's your name? What is your name? Witwa nde cyangwa se izina ryawe ni irihe? My name is Bosco. My name is Bosco. Nitwa Bosco. Where are you from? Ukomoka he cyangwa se uturuka he? One can say, umwe abasha gusubiza ati I am from Rubavu district. Nkomoka mu karere ka Rubavu. You are together with the teacher Elise. Muri kumwe na teacher Elise. You are going to be receiving different English lessons on this YouTube channel. Mugiye kujya mwiga amasomo anyuranye hano kuri YouTube channel. Please, as you be with us, rwose mu gihe uri kumwe natwe, we promise you to give you something good in English. Tugusezanyije kuzaguha icyongereza cyiza, and your development, your fluency in English will be our pride. Gutera imbere kwanyu mu rurimi rw'icyongereza ni ishema ryacu. Thank you very much. We love you. Murakoze, turabakunda.